It is a constructive session for markets globally, with equities leading the charge. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for August 22nd. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 edged higher plus 0.72% to 24,252 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. Nifty 50 is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $24,737 resistance and $23,767 support as the boundaries of the current range. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is trading higher by plus 0.82% at 77,541 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty edged higher plus 0.91% to 57,762 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI's hawkish minutes rattle bonds, put rate hikes in play. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,206 level above and $56,318 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. ICICI Bank is up plus 1.28%, trading at 1,420 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI's hawkish minutes rattle bonds, put rate hikes in play. Retail loan growth, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards is compounding strongly. The digital banking platform has dramatically reduced customer acquisition cost, giving ICICI a structural margin advantage. Asset quality remains the cleanest among large Indian banks. Any NPA deterioration would be the key risk signal. Larsen & Toubro is up plus 1.28%, trading at 4,093 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus, StockTwits. The near-term technical picture for Larsen & Toubro looks constructive. Watch the 4,256.72 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is weakening against the dollar, trading at 95.69. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank edged higher plus 1.28% to 1,420 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI's hawkish minutes rattle bonds, put rate hikes in play. Retail loan growth, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards is compounding strongly. The digital banking platform has dramatically reduced customer acquisition cost, giving ICICI a structural margin advantage. Asset quality remains the cleanest among large Indian banks. Any NPA deterioration would be the key risk signal. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.